In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password securely and efficiently. This is an essential skill to keep your online account safe and protect your personal information from unauthorized access. We all know how stressful it can be to forget a password or discover that your account might have been compromised. Not to worry though, with these straightforward steps, you'll be able to update your password with ease. First, let's navigate together to the starting point. Begin by clicking on your profile icon. You'll typically find this icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. It's often represented by your photo or initials, reminding you of what you looked like long before you spent hours managing different profiles. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear displaying several options. Next, from this menu, you need to navigate to Settings. You might find this option labeled slightly differently depending on the platform you're using, but look for something like Settings or Account Settings. It's your gateway to personalizing and securing your account, so it's essential to know this area well. Within the Settings menu, find and select the Security option. This section is crucial because it's designed to help you protect your account. Once you're in the Security section, you'll see an option to change password. Selecting this is your cue to take action on updating your credentials. You might be prompted to confirm this decision, which is a good sign that your platform is taking your security seriously. Now comes the heart of the process, where you'll enter your current password followed by the new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed information like your name or birth date. This step is a minor inconvenience that pays off significantly in safeguarding your digital presence. After you've carefully entered your current and new passwords, it's time to save these changes. Take a deep breath, check that everything is correct, and hit that save button. Congratulations! By doing this, you've taken a significant step in securing your account. Remember, regularly updating your passwords and keeping them private are simple actions that have substantial impacts on your online security. It's always worth investing just a little bit of time to ensure your information is protected. Thanks for tuning in and learning how to change your password. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips to keep you and your account safe online. Until next time, stay secure and take care.